All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We're in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I am so pumped because we have been indoors for a few months now. We can finally come out, and we're gonna be bringing you for a full-on street food adventure. Let's go check it out, guys. This is it, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My favorite food city in the world, and it feels so good to be back eating. And today, we're gonna be bringing you in for 3 incredible Malaysian foods that you're gonna love, including going into the factory of perhaps the most famous burger restaurant in Malaysia to see the whole process of how they make the salted egg yolk sauce for their super delicious salted egg crispy chicken burger. You're gonna get hungry. Let's eat. Okay guys, and before we get into this big street food adventure, I want to give a big thank you to our long-term partner, ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app on your phone and computer that lets you have security and bypass content restrictions wherever you are in the world. So look at this, it's got locations all over the world, and once you connect, it's like you're in that country. So you can access Netflix and different shows, different content restrictions all around the world, because certain providers like Netflix and other apps, they only allow local people from those countries to access specific content. Check this out. So here's Los Angeles. I am connecting and now I'm connected. So I can access content just like I'm in Los Angeles. Just the other day, there was that drama about the Royals and I couldn't see what it was about. So I downloaded the CBS app and then look at this. I watched that Oprah interview with the Royals, which I couldn't help. I was curious what they were saying. So it's really cool. It's a great app, and right now they're offering 49% off to all Food Ranger viewers and 3 months free if you click the link in the description below. Go check it out, guys, and let's go eat. Okay, guys, and first up, we're making our way to a local hawker center. These are so famous in Malaysia. Little corner lots full of street stalls, all selling a specialty. And right here on the corner, there's Lim Lao Ban. He's a master of the char kway teow, and he dances while he cooks. Let's go try it out, guys. Lao Ban, ni hao. Hello. Wow. Char kway teow. Oh, it's been a long time. Look at this, guys. 老板可以点吗？可以点吗？我点一个炸的。
哦，你要吃一个炒粿条蛋？
对对对，可以吗？
要辣椒啊？
都要。
OK。
一个炸的加虾，还有加一个鸡蛋。
加一个鸡蛋。
还有那个猪油炸。
猪油炸 ，OK。
太好了。
OK， 好。
Thank you, 老板。Thank you, 老板。This is gonna be amazing. 都可以。
OK， 谢谢来。
加虾，谢谢老板。This is gonna be good, guys. Oil's going in. Oh, what up? Oh, 太好了。We're getting extra jasha. We're getting extra prawns. Wow, 太好了。And then here comes the lao jiao zhang, little chili, little garlic. And then look, he's gonna grab a bunch of kway teow from the top, rice noodle into the wok. This is a Malaysian specialty. It's been a long time since I've eaten one because we've been inside. Little soy, a little bit of lao jiao, a little bit of dark soy sauce. And then here's jidan. Boom. A little bit of green onion. Wow, and then there's the bean sprouts going right in. Look at that. And that's gonna have that incredible aroma of the high heat lapchang, Chinese sausage. Oh, and then here's the crispy pork lard. Wow, he just threw it in so fast. Cockles, the sea ham. Wow, it's so aromatic and smoky. He's got the dance going on. And here it is. Look at that. Oh, that's incredible. Wow, Lao Ban, can't you lie Thai how chilla? Oh, can't you lie how chilla? And that's our egg gonna go right on our char kway teow. There it is, look at that. Wow. Xie Thai hao le. And here it is, guys, look at that, incredible. It's gonna be the first bite of outside food, and look, we've got a sunny side up fried egg in there. Oh, he really loads up the Chinese sausage. We got extra shrimp, oh my, we got pork crackling, and that egg looks like it's got that rich, smoky wok hay. Let's try it out. There's no noodle like that in the whole world. Only in Malaysia, you get a char kway teow that aromatic, that flavorful, slightly smoky. It's almost gooey with that fried egg. Oh my goodness. It is just so delicious. Fried, smoky noodles with the gooey egg, the shrimp, the Chinese sausage, which is a little sweet. And this one, I think this one has an extra aroma to it. And then the fresh bean sprouts on top give it this burst of freshness. And you can just feel the energy here. Tables are busy, and it's really nice to see business coming back and people working, and the wok's on fire again. It's been a long time, and this is like coming back to life. Oh, he's not taking our money. No, no, please. Thank you, boss. We're so lucky today. He's not taking our money either. He's just incredible. We're trying to pay, even off the camera. He's not taking it. I think we might need to hide it in there somewhere, but incredible food. That's just like a warm hug of flavor. Let's keep going, guys. And next up, we're bringing you for the ultimate Malaysian dessert triple combo. Let's go. Awesome, guys. And next up, before making our way for an insane burger, we just made our way to a local neighborhood, and we are stopping at a little stall here that specializes in Malaysian shaved ice desserts. They've got ice kacang. Look at this. ABC, zap se, mixed shaved ice with gula melaka, and we're gonna get a couple versions, and it's just right in here. Laban yang ni ha? Wow. Pendo desserts. Take a look at this, guys. Oh, and this is where it starts. The ice. Okay, and here we go. This is the first one, Yuto, which is taro. And you can see this giant brick of ice just gets shaved. And I'm really excited to try because it's been a long time. Look how she just compacts the ice here. And then look at all of these toppings here to go onto the desserts that we're about to have. So there's sago jelly, pandan, hongdo, red bean, herbal jelly, natati de coco. So that is mango flavored jelly. And then corn. And then huashang. Peanut. Oh, and then this is the soul of Malaysia, gula melaka, palm sugar. Oh, and then this is evaporated milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk, santan.
Yes.
Oh, and then here's the sauce. Look at all that. She's just soaking it. And then this is yumi. So it's got corn, peanut. That looks amazing. Shishini. And that's first the evaporated milk. And then coconut milk. That's syrup. That is yuto, which is taro. And then this is pandan jelly, sago jelly.
Yes.
Wow, that is amazing. Shishi laban yang. And Laban is giving us a special surprise now, a mango dessert. There's so many varieties. That's the evaporated milk. And then here comes, oh, delicious syrup ma. Oh, jelly, and then herbal jelly. Oh, and then here's the mango. Wow, look at that. Oh, and then there's some pearls, sago jelly. Shishi Laban. Wow, and look at that, guys. That's the first tower. And look how they just loaded up with the sago jelly and the pandan jelly. Let's try this first. That taro has a sweet yam-like flavor to it. That ice is super fluffy and powdery, and then this is actually not too sweet. It's just like a refreshing yam-like, almost like a sweet potato, fluffy ice dessert. After all these months indoors, this is a true joy to come out and look at this. This is kind of like one of the two most famous desserts here from Malaysia. We've got ABC, and then we've also got cendol. Look at how that gula melaka almost makes the outside crispy or crunchy. It's got this outer layer of the ice that you have to break through. Here we go. Oh, Laban Yang here is just adding more gula melaka on for us. Wow. It's a total volcano. And I really enjoyed that first bite because it's nutty from peanuts. And the corn also gives it sweetness as well. This is why it's called ABC. It's got red bean, it's got this dark herbal jelly, and it's full of ingredients. Oh! They just gave us another one. Look at that. Fresh mango. It's got that sago jelly, also full of ice, and evaporated milk. Fruity. Oh, super soft. Oh, shishi Laban. Not taking the money. I feel so guilty. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh my. That's the sugar heaven. So delicious. Okay, and we are gonna go get a crazy delicious burger now, guys. Let's go. And next up, guys, we're gonna be bringing you to one of the most famous burger restaurants in all of Malaysia. I love these burgers. I had them a lot during the lockdown. And today we just got invited into the factory to see how their salted egg sauce is made. And then we're gonna go to one of their stores and try it out. First up is the factory. Let's go. Okay, we just got into the factory, guys. We're gonna be watching the making of these famous black charcoal buns, and then we're gonna go take a look at the making of the famous salted egg sauce. Classic Malaysian sauce here at My Burger Lab, and let's go take a look. Okay, and this is to make the famous charcoal buns. So we got flour, and then a little yeast, and there's the brown sugar and the charcoal. So they're actually using charcoal in the bun. Nice. So we've got individual big mounds of this charcoal burger dough, and then look, it gets pressed. It's gonna go in this machine, circular disc of charcoal bun dough, and then out come the buns. Look at that. It's magic. So then after the buns come out, they get individually portioned into 60 grams per bun, put on the tray here, proofed, and then baked. How many buns do you make per day?
2,000 buns.
2,000? Wow. Okay, and here comes the buns. Oh, they look so fluffy, like marshmallows. Okay, and this is it. We are here to watch how the salted egg sauce is made. And these are all the ingredients. Look at this. So we've got salted egg, ginger, garlic, and then we've got curry leaves and chili patty mixed with salt and brown sugar. And then this big pot of milk is gonna go in as well. Okay, and this is gonna be where it's made. Wow, and here we go. It's starting now. All the margarine going into this giant Pyrex. Look at that, and it's warming it up, melting the butter and spinning. Oh, it's so satisfying to watch. Look at that margarine melting. Okay, and here's the salted egg. Oh my, wow. That is so beautiful. And this here is the reason why burgers in Malaysia are some of the best in the world, because you've got classic burgers with Asian flavor. We've got salted egg, we've got chili, we've got curry leaves going in, and just look at that creamy, just warm, soothing, happy blend we've got here. Okay, and here we go next. We've got the garlic going in. Okay, and next is ginger, right? Wow, garlic, ginger, salted egg. Okay, and this is the chili patty next. Whoa, and next we've got the curry leaves. Wow, what a mixture of cultures. What do you think, Ting? Hungry? Yeah, it looks awesome. Okay, and then here comes the brown sugar and salt. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna sweeten it up a little. Oh, and here comes the milk. Look at this. Whoa, that's gonna make it creamy. So that's it, finished now. Now 1 more hour mixing. Okay, next up is the chicken marination. Let's take a look. Lemongrass, lime leaves, garlic, fish sauce. It's all in there. Pure aromas of Malaysia. Bows it up.
Yeah.
And then this is for sealing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've seen it all now, guys. We've seen the salted egg sauce. We've seen how the charcoal buns are made. Now we've seen how the chicken is marinated. We're gonna make our way to the shop and eat one of these burgers. Thank you. Oh yes, it's gonna be good. Thanks so much. Burger Lab. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? And here we are, guys. My Burger Lab. We're gonna try out that salted egg burger. Hi, how are you? How's it going? Hey Sam, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Awesome, good.
All right.
Can I please have one beautiful mess?
All right, one beautiful man.
That's the cheddar beef patty, right?
Correct.
And then one salted egg yolk burger that we just saw in the factory there. Wow, and we just got invited in. Thanks, Sam. Let's go take a look at how it's done. Here we are, guys. Look at this massive line. Hello. And here we go, guys. This is the beginning. And you can see they just take those marinated chicken thighs, put them in this spiced flour, and then they go right into the oil. And there it is, guys. Look at that. That's a full fryer of Malaysian spiced chicken thighs. Looks good. Looks amazing. Look at how crispy they're getting here. That is so aromatic. And what a fry station this is. Look at that. We got chicken and fries. Oh my goodness.
So now the thighs are done?
Thighs are done. Wow. Look at this, guys. Thighs are done. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They're still sizzling. And here's the burger station. Let's watch the beautiful mess. Here we go. Oh, and then the beef patties are just getting pressed. And we're gonna get a double beef patty. Beautiful mess. It's gonna have a lot of cheese and a lot of toppings. Let's watch the full process. So we got a bunch of different types being made.
No,
Closed, okay. And here they are. Ready for flipping. Wow. Here we go. Incredible. You guys are busy.
yeah, it's coming out. Talk about a lot of burgers regularly.
A lot of burgers.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Cover it up.
Oh, and then the cover it, and the cheese is gonna melt. Oh, and there they are. Look at the cheese melted. The burgers are seared. You can see they're like caramelized over, and look at all that cheese. And there they are. Look at those. Smell fantastic. 70% of the cheese on the meat and 30% off. So you've got a little bit of that crispiness, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, and here's the egg station. And look at the way these eggs are made. They're perfectly cracked right over top. And then watch this. They're sort of pushed in and made into a circle Nice. Oh, and here's the buns. These are the charcoal buns we just saw. So you toast them right in there, toasting. They're gonna get nice and crispy. Okay, and then look at this. Here's the bun lineup. They're making a ton of salted egg burgers today. And that's the oven roasted cherry tomato going right on top. So we got lettuce, we got the charcoal bun, and then cherry tomato. Oh, and then this is curry mayo.
Yep.
Wow. Oh, and this is the salted egg. That's the salted egg. That's what we just saw. Look at that. Right from the factory. Look at that. That smells amazing. And then here's the chicken. Look at this. Chicken going right on. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is just amazing. Double layer salted egg sauce. And there it is. And there they are, finished. We're gonna get one of these, but with double chicken patty. Okay, and here's our two burgers. So we've got oven roasted tomatoes, lettuce, we've got mayo and mustard, and then, oh, and here's the curry mayo. Oh, and here's our beef patties. Look at that. We're getting a double patty right on top. Oh my goodness. It's got that 30% skirt of cheese. Oh, and then what are these?
Fried portobello strip.
Fried portobello strips. Oh, and then the egg on top. Honey mustard.
Yeah.
Wow, it's extreme. And then that's gonna get served. And then here's that salted egg sauce going right on. And this is why I love burgers in Malaysia, and in particular here at My Burger Lab, because there's a mixture of cultures and flavors. We've got Malaysian spices and flavors, and wow, salted egg sauce. Look at that. And we're getting a double patty. This is crazy. Look at this, double layer. And then here's the fries. Oh, and then the signature red sauce. Thank you very much.
No problem. Enjoy.
Okay, look at that extreme height of that beef cheddar patty. You can see the jiggly, gooey egg in there. And then look at that salted egg, fried spicy chicken. Wow, Ultraman inspired burger. Let's go try them out. Wow, this is a life-changing experience. Let's go, guys. And you just gotta get a close-up look on this. Look at that honey mustard, that gooey, perfectly fried egg, portobello mushrooms. Wow, and then double patty, cheddar, seared perfectly. It's gonna have that caramelization. And the cheddar is 30% on the outside, so you get a bit of that skirt, and then 70% on the inside, perfectly melted and gooey. And then this is what we came for. This is the Malaysian fusion of flavors. Oh, yes, look at that. Full of curry leaves, chili api, milk. It's got that classic Malaysian salted egg. Oh, look at how messy that is. Wow, look at that. Oh, let's try it out. That salted egg is unlike anything in the world. It is so creamy. You can taste the curry and the spice, and it's crispy and soft at the same time. This is some of the best burgers you'll ever eat in the entire world. You can't get this anywhere else. Let's go in for this incredible, look at the egg yolk. Did you see that? The skirt on there is dripping with egg yolk. Oh, it's so juicy. Oh my goodness. The sear on that beef patty, it's like caramelized perfectly. And then that crispy cheese skirt, and then the gooey egg yolk. That is a juicy, juicy, crispy, satisfying burger. I don't know which one I like more, but they're both just to die for, delicious. Thank you, Burger Lab team. Thank you, bye-bye. See you. Thanks, delicious. See you. See you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Wow. And they're loading us up with Burger Lab. Burger Lab sauce. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Have a good night. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was an amazing day. As you know, there's a global pandemic right now, so we've been indoors the past few months and haven't been able to create much for you. All the countries around the world are going through this differently. We've been on lockdown for a couple months now and just got out, and wow, that was awesome to get out to eat, and we got more coming for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell notification button as well so you don't miss any of these videos. Thanks for watching.